Welcome to the Regency at Fishkill. Enjoy a luxurious carefree lifestyle at this active adult 55+ community. Exquisite landscaping and a welcoming set of French doors. Luxury begins at the door. Get your mail on your way home. Use your access pad. Hallway has indoor access to your private one-car garage. Charming foyer with coffered ceilings and wood floors. Spacious open floor plan living space with large windows that bring natural light in. Dining room space great for entertaining and holiday dinners. Offers sliders to balcony overlooking the pond. Bright living room and white trim work go out. Unit offers several upgrades including beautiful granite in kitchen and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Wonderful upgraded cabinets. The spotlights and large double window to light up your day. Spacious master suite with a large walk-in closet and sitting area. Enjoy the fascinating view this peaceful pond first thing in the morning. Master bath with double vanity and ceramic tiled floor. Large soaking tub and double wide glass surround shower. Just relax and forget about your day's worries. The den offers great space for your guests, office, craft room or anything that pleases your heart. Second full bath and not shown in pictures is your own private washer and dryer inside your unit because condo living doesn't mean you have to share your laundry. Enjoy an afternoon watching the ducks from your very own balcony. Path around the pond. Enjoy without have to leave the complex. Enjoy hanging out with friends by the poolside or take a dip in this wonderful heated pool. Socialize and enjoy some activities at the clubhouse. Enjoy the warmth of the fireplace at the clubhouse. Ready for your daily workout? No need to go far.